We are unboxing PS4 today, which is delivered by Flipkart. We are eager to watch this. Sorry for some video clarity. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, finally it's here. Cover the. Oh my god.
Yes.
PS4, which we bought some additional features like Charted 4 and Uncharted series, the total collection. And just now we broke the seal of Sony. Oh my god. First Faisal को भेजना रे वीडियो. The packing of Sony was really good and careful. Tanji. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది తిప్పు ఇడుదాం. బా వీడియో మాత్రం పిచ్చ క్లారిటీ. Terms and conditions. How? Uncharted collection. కింద ఒక క్యాసెట్ పైన ఒక క్యాసెట్. టోటలీ there are some CDs. ఓపెన్ చేయి లోపల జాయిస్టిక్ తీయదు. యా this is Uncharted 4 The Thief's End. This is the last series of Uncharted, so I think there is the option to play multiplayers. Uncharted Darken's Fortune, Uncharted Among Thieves 2, and Uncharted Dark's Deception 3. లోపల జాయిస్టిక్ తీ. ఫస్ట్ జాయిస్టిక్ తీ లోపల లేదా ఉంది అటు నుంచి ఒకటే అది దాని Uncharted Danathan Darken collection. It's 16+. Anybody can play this. Yeah,
Lightweight.
This is what we are waiting for, the new feature in this PS4. This is laser and this is touchpad.
Where is battery? Okay, inbuilt battery.
No, it's inbuilt battery. It can be chargeable and wireless. PS4 shock for something which vibrates. Yeah, and this is power cable for PlayStation. And ఇంకా కొన్ని కేబుల్స్ ఉంటాయి చూడు లోపల.
Like earphones.
Yeah, and this is another thing what we want to see. Sony earphones which we connect for joystick. This is HDMI cable. The worst thing which I won't like this cable, because this feature is not available for my TV. Any other things, power cable, etc. And this is charging cable for joystick. Finish. And finally here it is PlayStation 4 Sony. Its power button and CD. It's PS4. You can see this. This is power adapter and USB, HDMI and LAN. I think you people like this. Okay, I want to post some more videos later. And here also you can see some other 2 ports. Let me on flash for you. One USB, another USB. Okay.
Chakira.
Yes. Thank you for watching this video.